Okay, here's a video on how to use the Prime TV. It's a lot of things that you can do that you may not know, but I'm going to show you here. So you're at home right now. You can come down to your recents, or you can go down to your apps and go across to Prime TV. Okay, it is necessary to update the application. You can just hit ignore. Okay, now it comes on. Okay. So now you have TV, movies, catch up, which don't work, EPG, which is your TV guide, and info is for your settings. I'm gonna go through all that. This is EPG, okay, and this is your TV guide, and it's loading right now. So okay, I'm gonna go to the top because I'm all the way in the 400s here. Okay. Well, anyway, you can see right here, you got Stars, Cinemax, you got all those stations there, Showtime, HBO, all of them work. Lifetime Movie Network, Sci-Fi, Oxygen, you got all the cable stations, BET, you got TV One in here, you just got all of them, okay? Let's see, for your regular channels, they are on, I think, 23 or something like that. Just kind of like remember, well, you can try to remember where you're, okay, let's see. Okay, there's ABC 20, NBC 21, CBS 22. Okay, and then Fox and all them is on there. Okay, so I'm going to take this remote control and I'm going to go back. Go back. Okay. Now, okay. So that was that. Now I'm going to go over to info. Click on info. And for some reason my info is not popping up. Okay. Well. Oh well. It's just showing up here some information, but this is not how it used to look. So anyway, okay, so I'm gonna go back to movies. Okay, so movies is this blue one. So you can go up here and you can click on any of these movies going across here and play them, or you can go back to movies and you can go back here to new releases, action, family, drama. You can go there, or you can go back to movies and just click on movies. Okay, when you click on movies, then you got all movies, you got new releases, you got TV, which is all your catch-up TV. So everything that you missed, you can go in here and watch. Like if you watch 911, if you watch Empire, you can go in here and catch all your shows that you missed. Man, I can't think of some of the shows like let's see. There's Dynasty. If you watch that, there's Empire. Let's see. You got Grey's Anatomy. You got that housewife stuff. You got all kind of stuff in here. Shows that you like and may. There's Greenleaf. You got the haves and the have-nots in here and so forth. Okay, and you could just go and click on it and it'll play the movies. Okay, so let's back this up out of there. Okay, now, okay, so I'm going to click on movies again. Let's see, I'm at movies. Click on movies again. Okay, now you can go to all movies, new releases, TV, like I just showed you, action. You can go on across like that and pick movies. Or you can come down, see all movies, go down, most popular movies, and then go down again, and this is the latest watched movies. So these are all the movies that I've watched. Like that. So you can do that. Okay, back. Okay, or Let me hit movies again. See, when you hit movies, you get more options. See, you got that search bar up there. So you can click on search and type in the movie that you want. And then it'll pop up with the whole series of whatever you type in. If you type in Empire, it's going to give you Empire from season 1 to whatever season they're on now. Okay. So I'm just going to back out. Okay. So those are some of the things. Okay, you can go up here to new releases. And you have to go here daily because they put new ones in daily. So, and sometimes they're not right in the front. And you have to go in there and look like, let me see. Uh-oh, I went over there on TV. Okay, go back down to new releases. And then go across. You got A Star Is Born is on here. The new stuff. It's a lot of new movies on here at the show. If you keep up with the movies that's at the show. This Green Book is good. Let's see, what other one do I like? Bird Box. Everybody is raving about Bird Box. Tiffany Haddish movie. That's old, but you know it's still good. It's it's all kind of stuff in here you can find. I'm gonna send you some good movies that I have watched. Okay, so now I'm gonna go up to all movies. Okay, and then go down. And where it say resume playing, that mean I watched it. So when you go to your episodes and you watch it and you forgot where you left off at, it'll say resume playing. You know that's the last one of the episodes you seen. So if that's resume playing is on episode 5, then you go to episode 6 because you know you seen the one that say resume watching. Okay. Yeah, you can go in here and you can find TV shows and movies in here. But you can, also pick what type of movies you want and, like action, family, TV, and stuff like that. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, or you can go to TV. Let's see, and just click on TV. It'll just start playing whatever you was watching. And I had it on the NBA thing, so ain't nothing on there right now. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back and I'm going to put something on the TV. Let's see. Okay, so if you go to this EPG where I'm at, it's going to show you all the recent shows that you watch. So you don't have to keep going into the TV guide. Just look right there. I'm going to go up here. I'm a Hallmark watcher. I'm a TV One watcher. Fox TV, TV Land. Those are some of the channels that I watch. So your favorite TV shows is going to be there. You don't have to go to the TV guide all the time. So this is good for somebody who don't want to scroll up and down, find number 64, 102, or HBO or Showtime. You can have HBO, Showtime, Cinemax all lined up right there on the screen. Okay. So remember, you got to be at the EPG to see that. Okay, and then if you want to go to the TV guide, you just click on it. And like I said, right now I am way up here. Go up here and click on something. Okay, let's go to HBO and click on that. See what's playing on HBO. Okay, so now it's playing. So I'm going to hit this back button to move that TV guide. Okay, and there's the movie. Okay. So that's how you work that. Then you can still go up and down. Just like a regular. Okay, what I'm doing is just going up, like that, or down. Okay, like that. Let's see. Okay, so that's one way. And let's see here. If I hit hit this button right here, the menu button. It's going to bring the TV guide back up. Okay? So while your movie's still playing, you can be flicking through the menu. Okay, and then right now, I think we're watching Dog Days or something. I don't know. But just say you want to watch one of these movies, then you just click on it and it'll start playing. Let's see. Okay, so now Beverly Hills Cops is on. Hit the back button, and there it is. Okay, now you want the menu again, the TV guide, hit that button, and there you go. Find you another movie, and you just don't never have to be blank without sound or anything, you know, and just click on the movie. You want to come out of here, just hit the back button. You want to come out of here, just hit the back button. Okay, now you back there. Okay, so now you can go to TV. If you click TV, it's going to start right back up from the last channel you was watching. Okay, all right, you hit the back button, hit it again, and it's going to take you back. Okay, if you go to movies again, you can pick from down here at the bottom anything that you want, or you can go up here and pick, or you can come back down to movies, click on movies, and there you have your search bar up there. But you still have all your movies, you still have all this list. But see, this TV right here, I just love this. I love this because I can just go in there and watch Dynasty. I can just watch everything I want. All my catch-ups. I don't have to worry about missing nothing because I can come back and watch it. It's like Hulu, but it's always there, and you ain't got to, wait on another day for it to come in. It'll come in. Okay, and there's, your family and all that stuff. So I hope this helps you guys or anybody else who, look at this. And again, remember I said if you go down, there's your most popular. Go down, and there's the last watched. Okay? And so you can always go down to last watched and continue. Like the Residents here, you see that? And that's the only ones you see. That's because those was the last watch. So if I wanted to continue to watch the Residents, I could just go up here and type in, when I type in, you hit the center button. Hit the center button. Okay, and then you go left, right, up, down, however. Go right, left, up, down, and just, whatever. And don't forget to space it. Space it, you mess up, delete. If you want to clear it, just clear it there. And then make sure you go to next, and that'll do it. Or you can go to TV right there and watch it from TV if it's on the TV list. Some of the shows are not on the TV list, so you may have to type them in. Okay? All right. Good luck. Hope you enjoy. Bye.